Would you believe you can actually lose weight while you sleep? Sounds crazy, right? But today, I'm breaking down the science-backed secrets that help women burn fat without exhausting workouts or strict diets. Before we start, if you want more effortless weight loss tips, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. When you sleep, your body doesn't shut down. It goes into repair and fat-burning mode. During deep sleep, your metabolism works to balance hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which control hunger and fat storage. If your sleep is poor, your body produces more ghrelin, the hormone that makes you crave carbs and junk food. But when you get 7 or 8 hours of quality sleep, your body naturally burns more fat and keeps cravings in check. So how can you use sleep to your advantage? Here's your lazy woman's night routine that actually melts fat overnight. Stop eating 3 hours before bed. This gives your body time to digest and shift into fat-burning mode while you rest. Drink warm herbal tea. Something like chamomile or green tea helps calm your body and improve metabolism. Limit blue light. Turn off your phone or use a blue light filter an hour before bed. Blue light disrupts melatonin, which means less fat burning. Cool down your room. Sleeping in a slightly cooler room, around 66 to 68 degrees, can increase brown fat activity, the good fat that burns calories. Want to take it to the next level? Eat these 3 nighttime fat-burning foods before your fasting window. Greek yogurt, high in protein, helps repair muscles and boost metabolism overnight. Tart cherries naturally increase melatonin and improve sleep quality. Avocado, healthy fats that keep you full longer and stabilize blood sugar. These foods help your body stay in fat-burning mode while you snooze. Here are 3 extra lazy hacks that make a big difference. Hydrate before bed. Drink a small glass of water to support your metabolism. Stretch lightly. A 2-minute stretch releases tension and helps you sleep deeper. Visualize your results. Mental focus actually helps reinforce your new habits. So yes, you really can lose weight while you sleep if you set your body up the right way. Follow this lazy woman's guide for just 1 week and see how much better you feel in the morning. And if you want to boost your results faster, check out the link below for my favorite resistance bands for women, perfect for quick 5-minute toning sessions without ever leaving home. Don't forget to like this video, hit subscribe, and don't forget the description area of this video and comment "I'm in" if you're ready to start your lazy weight loss journey. May the Lord always bless you.